Hey everybody, so today we're going to talk about teaching multiplication. And so the concept of actually teaching multiplication is actually not that difficult relative to a lot of other math concepts to teach. And basically we start by teaching kids about groupings of objects. And you can do this in several different ways. So I'm going to teach you a couple of different ways to do it. I'll try that with Kayla. And yeah, these are kisses. These are, I like to actually work with objects that are like candies. That typically works pretty well with kids. But you can use blocks and you should use different objects over time, but we're gonna start with candy. So Kayla, here are a bunch of Hershey's Kisses. And today I'm gonna be teaching you about multiplication. Can you say that? Multiplication?
Multiplication.
Oh, good. High five. Multiplication. So we'll start by teaching you the cup method. So I want you to take, Kayla, 2 cups and then put 2 candies in each cup. Two candies in each cup. Okay? Okay, now I want you to see something. Okay, this X means times, okay? So 2 times 2, this is 3 times 2, this is 3 times 3. So when you see an X, you say times. Okay. So can you say it with me? 2 times 2, 3 times 2, 3 times 3. Now the first number I want you to think of as cups, okay? Okay. And the second number I want you to think of as candies, okay? So how many cups do we have? 2. And how many, or we have 2 cups, and how many candies did we put in each cup? 2. How many candies total are there?
4.
Can you write that down? 4 right here? Good. Okay, now, let's read the next problem.
Should we dump out?
Yeah, let's dump it out. Let's dump it out. Yeah, good, good. Smart girl. Okay, now, let's read this.
3 times 2.
So how many cups do we get?
3.
Can you get 3 cups? Yep. And in each cup, how many candies are we going to put in each cup? Oh, you got it already. Yeah. Okay, now let's count up how many total candies we have.
6.
Okay, so let's read the problem. 3
times 6.
2 equals 6. So remember, we should say the full thing. Okay, good job. You got it right. Now, let's do the next problem.
3 times 3.
Equals. Good. So how many cups are we going to get? Kayla, how many cups? 3, yeah. And how many candies are we going to put in each cup? So after they learn the basic concept, you want to just keep practicing with them, whether it's in the same day. Some kids are just going to get it and they're going to just know it. But just to be safe, go over it a few different times with a few different problems. So write down a number of different problems. And so we'll try a few more. And we'll even try some harder ones.
Like 10 times 10?
No, we won't go that much. Okay, but let's finish this one. Okay, so do you have, so let's read the problem.
3 times 3.
Okay, and how many cups do we have? And how many candies in each cup? And what's the total? Nine. Good. Can you write it over here? Okay, yeah, let's write the 9 starting here, go around and down. Can you trace that?
Okay. So right here.
Yeah.
Around, down.
Okay, let's do the next problem. Okay, what's this?
4 times 2.
So how many cups are you going to get?
4.
Yeah.
We just need 1 more.
Good. Okay. And then what are you going to do?
Get 2 kisses.
Okay, good. I know. Okay. What's the answer? Eight. Good. Very good job. High five.
People, small one.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, next time you could do it more like this, but it's okay. All right, let's move on to the next problem.
3 times 6.
Equals.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many cups are you going to get?
6.
Or
3.
3, okay. It actually doesn't matter, but I'll teach you that later. But yeah, let's get the, okay. And then what do you do?
And then we put 6 in each cup.
Yep.
Okay, we have 4.
Good. Good. So what's the answer? Yeah, good job. All right. Let's write the 8 good next time, okay? Well, 18, how do you write 18? Do you remember how to write? Yeah. Okay, good. And let's do the last problem.
We need 4 of these guys.
Yeah.
There.
Okay, good. Now, every child is going to learn these concepts at a different rate. And for some kids, it's going to be hard. Don't worry if it's difficult. Just go over it slowly. Let your kid take the time to get these concepts. Let them struggle. If they struggle, let them struggle. Every kid's different. Every kid's going to learn at a different age. So it's all going to be different. So don't freak out if your kid doesn't immediately get it. But just try different approaches. Try candies. Try different things. And I'm going to show you one different approach in a second. It's okay. What's the answer?
12.
Correct. Good job. Okay, so you actually just learned multiplication. That's all there is to it. Now I'm going to teach you how to do this one other way, okay? So basically what we want to do is we want to generalize the concept of grouped objects. What we're going to do is to teach multiplication, basically the grouping of objects in different ways. So we use cups, but now we're going to use My Little Ponies. So Kayla, now I'm going to give you 2 problems and then we're all done, okay? And basically what I want you to do is instead of cups, so we're going to put the cups away. Instead of cups, I want you to use My Little Ponies. And instead of cups, I want you to get this many number of My Little Ponies.
Okay.
So read this problem first.
3 times 3.
Equals, right. And so first we're going to get the how many My Little Ponies are we going to get?
3.
Okay, so let's get the 3 My Little Ponies. Okay, and I want you to give each of those My Little Ponies this number of candies. How many candies each?
3.
Okay, let's give them each 3 candies. Why don't we try and put in a straight line like that so we don't mix them up? Good.
That's really like candy.
Okay? All right, so what's the answer? Good, so let's read the answer.
3 times 3 minus
Equals?
equals 9.
Good, okay, last problem. Let's read the problem.
4 times 2 equals.
How many ponies are you gonna get?
We're gonna get 4.
Good, that's right, 4.
Let's get a pony that likes candy.
Okay, which pony likes candy?
Pinkie Pie.
Okay. So with my older boys, we use Legos, but whether it's ponies or Legos, basically something that is going to interest them. Okay, keep going, keep going. Don't let Daddy stop you. So my recommendation is that you practice this for mastery. So at least a few days, maybe a week. For some kids, it's just going to be really obvious. For my boys, they got it really fast, so we just kind of skipped this part and went to the next phase. But it's always going to depend on your child. Good. Let's read the problem.
4 times 2 equals 8.
That's right. So that's it for this lesson. That's it. Your kids now know multiplication. All right. Good job, Kayla. You're all done.